How to check PayPal account number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can check your PayPal account number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, you have to understand that if your PayPal account is eligible, let's say for direct deposit, then you will find the account number. If it's not eligible for direct deposit, you won't find. And another thing is, if you're trying to find your account number so that someone can send you money, remember that your PayPal account is not identified by an account number or ID. Your account is identified by the email address that you log in with. So that is how people send you money, directly through your email address. So to receive funds using your PayPal account, you can ask the sender to send the payment to the confirmed email address registered on your account. You can check that by tapping the three lines, going to the settings of the gear icon here. Then under account details, you'll actually find your email address here, which is already verified. So you just have to ask them to send the money in this particular email address. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.